Hello, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace and C, and welcome to Maintenance Monday. I'm going to be talking to you a little bit today about my favorite YouTuber, one of my favorites anyway. But first, I wanted to just remind you of the wig that I'm wearing. It's the same wig that I've used in a few of my videos showing you how to do two-strand twist and then the twist out. So this is the same wig actually. So I just wanted you to see how much fuller it got. It still has a lot of the twist pattern from before. And for church today, I just put 2 twists in front, and this is the way that I'm rocking it. And as you know, I can take this out and have that fullness around my face. So this is just another variation that I wanted to show you. But anyway, today I wanted to introduce one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name is Makiba, and her YouTube channel is Why Not Keep. I think it's a Y, then Notkeeb. I will put a couple of links to some videos that I think are really great. They'll give you some options on what you can do with your rhythm wigs, but I really just wanted to introduce you to her. She is funny, she is very knowledgeable, she is a licensed cosmetologist as far as I know. You know, trust is a big thing with me, so I've been following her for a while. I tend to find YouTubers that I like what they're doing, and I follow them because I want to kind of get to know them as best as I can and see if what they teach, what they know is, you know, it makes sense to me as a licensed natural hair care specialist myself. I know when people are just, you know, not really knowledgeable and spewing out information that is not really true. So I'm very mindful of that. And so I really like her. I'm going to be introducing some other YouTubers because she's not the only one that I follow, but she had a particular style variation that she did, which I think you would love, especially if you have one of these wigs, but it could be used for other ones as well, where you do a leave out, and I just think you'd really love that variation. So there will be links up down in the description section, I think is where it's going to end up, and I wanted you to see those. And also, if you see anything on YouTube that you want to try, if you need help in doing a braid down, I do that. If you need help in doing customizing your closure, anything like that, I can do that for you. Just let me know what you need and I will do the best that I can to make sure you get what you need. So if you are planning to go out and you need some help getting things just perfect, please just reach out. I know a lot of my customers are local, so reach out and I will make you look fabulous.